All right, let's play a game. And in this game, we're going to learn about possessive nouns.
We need to choose the correct possessive nouns. Let's go. Welcome to the quiz show.
Yes. Let's do this. I'm ready.
You ready? So am I.
Whoa. What do we do here?
Right, let's see. The blank colors are beautiful. So we need to put in the correct possessive noun.
Okay.
How many dresses can you see?
I see a lot.
How many have beautiful colors?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There is more than one dress with beautiful colors. So we're looking for the plural form of dress.
Plural form, because there's more than one. Ah, this is the right one.
Yes.
Oh,
And it ends with an apostrophe. So
All
the
right.
dresses, talking about all of the dresses' colors being
that
beautiful.
could be tricky.
It is tricky. Now let's look at question 2.
But if you took our online course,
Head Start learners.
yeah, for Head Start learners, you would find this easy.
Now look at the bottom of the screen
Whoa,
as
what's
well.
that?
I can see 2 options. I think I know this. So let's go for times 2 score. We
Times
can
2?
double our score if we get this correct.
All right. We better not get this wrong then.
Right, how many schools can you see?
1, 2, 3.
Yes, there are 3 different schools.
So
And-
you say schools for plural, right?
And their doors are closed. So the school's doors are closed. We are talking about more than one school. So we need the plural form of schools. What is it?
Plural form of schools, right here.
And-
schools.
And it ends with an apostrophe. So we've made it possessive.
Yes.
Let's choose C. And let's see what happens. We should have doubled our score. Yes, we did.
Wow. So if you don't know, or if you've forgotten, possessive means it belongs to someone or something.
But wait, hold up. Where has our double score gone?
Oh, you can only use it one time.
So you need to be sure if you know the answer.
Okay. All right, next question. The blank nest is in the tree.
Now, let's pretend that we don't know the answer. Let's use 50-50. We will show you what 50-50...
What's that mean?
We will show you.
Okay.
It means it takes away one of the wrong answers.
All right. Cool.
This made it super easy. There is only one bird. What is the singular form for bird? What letter does it end in?
It should end in, so one bird ends with a D.
And remember the rule. If a singular noun does not end with an S, we need to add an apostrophe and an S. So the answer is...
C, this one.
Yes, that's correct. Bingo. There we go.
All right, there we go.
Bonus round.
What's that?
Keep your eyes on the prize.
Whoa.
Keep your eyes on the prize. I'm looking at one. I'm keeping my eyes on the prize. Top left. Top left. Yes. Times 3 score. Let's go.
Wow. Okay, you know what? For Head Start learners, we're going to let you guys play this on your own. Let's see who can get the highest score. All right, and if you haven't joined our Head Start online grammar course, this is a perfect time for you to go down in the description below, click in our link, and then join our class. You can learn more about grammar and things you thought that were very tricky. We're going to make it easy for you so you could be a grammar master.
That's right. Join the Head Start Academy family.
All right, so let's keep on playing. Let's do one more. This blank lunch is some carrots. How many horses do we see? We only see
1.
one. So what's the singular form of one horse?
It ends in an E.
Right here.
And then if a noun does not end in an S, we need to add an apostrophe S to make it possessive.
Yes. There we go.
Nice. We have 2 more questions.
All right. Hey, I think you're getting the hang of this. Why don't we let you guys finish this game on your own? And where's the game? Check in the description below, click, and then you could play the game yourself.
That's correct. The link is in the description below. We will see you soon.
And I hope to see you soon if you haven't joined our Head Start Academy family. That's the place where we learn more about grammar and English so you could be a master in
English language learning.
exactly. All right, see you soon.
Bye-bye.